Me song. Me a trouble into cause me who song me who yes song. Yeah,
from the street.
I'm from the street. The better than my song. I don't be keke. I can never be perfect. I don't want to be perfect. Pastor love you, yeah. Oha. Me kasa. I was saying me dey say go mature because soldier muno wa. He started ministry when I didn't even know say me also for.
Yeah.
And that respect, that honor forever, I will give him that. And now only pass out with John baby son baby I'm a John mint me family san cano. Me ni Ghana. And now minim say or court case be. And now baby a branch no can you Ohio, me more Virginia. Into me ni contact be a. Na ma was asem ba ye no ye mframa mfasona. Wakoko tamasa matono. I can never, ever as human being filled with sin, filled with bad stuff, ever prosecute anybody in vengeance because vengeance belongs to Yankopon.
Yeah.
Menya bida. Pastor Love, menya bida me kra me suro because susumo no o sha se jame o se me bu no o se me di ani die ma no enti o kan ma sem ne yesin ko kan bi me nke bida.
Abusia empenifo se bebia hekye aboa no ehwa na yegya no nyina ne se interview bi a Obaapa Christy eko grante wo kingdom na kofa ensem bebre eba one ne kunu awarem ma pasala so eba abontin ebedi na tem ekeka ensem a ensem fata de kire no ma kofa ha bebre nyina achi pasala wonse ensem a aba ama enam so kwa kopiem wo aban kukum no edin ba ko a ebepie wo sa ensem num ene pastor Adonteng boate a ne din bepie ma na pasala kra kire se sa sofu one na ire Obaapa Christy no wo mu obibiye abusua Pastor Adonteng boate ababontin asan ababekasa ewo baby kro Obaapa Christy ekokranti interview ma ekofa asemba e metre Kingdom FM ewa na Pastor Adonteng boate so akọ ede na no yi ene emunchiremu ede abasanchiremu no ene anu yi eno na mede eba beso ansa na no mekai wo sa ha yetumagie subscribe ma page na femi adoma no sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka afei so Casto Planto Technology na asomasene mamede sa dwumadi Casto Planto Technology no sofu pani Dr. Prophet Abednego the spiritual and invisible hospital wa bia no wonsa mo reku a wode nyame ma afri sunsumo yare fre doctor e wo number na egu screen no asena afei inshemu bi ohobia onfama bi kwa na woko na wayira abusia se ye koye nsem ni mu a se ne medi kan se wo Kingdom FM a fifi prat etna se ni dwumadi ne ho na Obaapa Christy ekọ grante interview na wo kire se okobo ni kunu di kire se ni kunu no wan hweda ntro nyum bi amane se ni nyina na esai adwen ewo ne nwuma na oto no na sansem no na anko ne kunu ni yi na oba abonti ne nyina abusua eyemonim sem deda ne ensem a wobekeka ye edefa na yere hu edin ba ko akopie mu Pastor Adonteng boate a wo kire se sofo ekura one ne yere no kura enya bibi aye pen eno na Pastor Adonteng boase abapie mu ewo Ghana hade a na de se bibi akira bo na hwa ne gya ne dia bibi na yere ne ko ye ko grant interview na wo so ko na okokọ sign ti enu ntebusua sei na Pastor Adonteng boate wo fifi passion so no okwatena na ono nso ode ne nchiremu ebae
After episode we threw that question and about for you to clear some surfaces. It's about Pastor Love. Yeah. Me get sure say the course will be about on the wife. The wife will have a interview. Emma, your friend's interview no confine send me by Emma. Pastor Love came out to insult the wife. The insult to the one yet is so diable. Say Pastor Adonteng boate say whatever it is, but ye kaya ma say ekoye bibi to say one Obaapa Christy e will be yo. Be sure so videos videos. Mr. Wa Obaapa Christy Ghana for the woman himself waba wa beto nyom e wo ha oye wo ba. Mr. Now nene double say.
Okay, let me say this first. Pastor Love you be a or yenya baby why yenya me do no me ne ba nti enyesa ma no fom no ma no tia ne da and I feel so mate say asemato no nti I'll use this to pray for him say baby onam bia no oje beba no so on say obitimi kasa my wife I am happily married for 50 years ube komu no na bia 40 years no e manso ni ntokwankwa nti awade bie ni wa asomdwe wo mu a wote se asema to obi aware a e wo so udi ehwanwurusie and I cry for Pastor Love or baby or Shesi say what the manaba. However, Obaapa Christy me catch on say do baby my life na yaw a come any bre na in my pain in my wound years ago na minim that na minim say me shana that me nyum bi na me di sun sa all my life me ma mene so machire me po I don't want to cry before you me di su papa because na ene da so bie ni o ma me wi ase na minim say me shanda because na minim be bi onam na e say nyame adom me gya say sun say nyum no kra me ntie bio ore bi a friend John Mensa Sapon or your music producer will come and sing obesra me ti edi nkomo a na me simi panyu ntufo bi aba mo abeto nyo mama no so Obaapa me na omoni ama ne akoso na minim na meti wa John Mensa Sapon friend na me so be man aba America oba yen fa me roll red carpet man me de minim story bi e koso na nyo no nko a obia wa ufra mpon obia wa ba me ho bia no it doesn't matter where you're coming from. I care for you. I love you. Internet I won't say start singing about America or your Bama or your bow. Sana Mitia. This is who I am. I love people. I love humanity. And when I'm loving you, I go all out to love you.
That's it.
And so you didn't buy it. Or buy it no me buano me support on because me no this is the woman that a while ago when I was crying, she has made a difference. See, as you be a minister to be a buano, me kind of crash out. That's the woman. This is the woman who, because and through encouragement, through a new be our minister, you know, me me jay soon. Me na mabe jina bebia, me buanko for. Into a buy, you know, yame farm is so blessed. No, wanye bonia for. She respected me. She honored me because they are me man no kai. And I'm so me a street boy. Inti nipe koba no. The one me say did that from what had when if she is akwa award that from one me na from sa because obi a wada kantaman to epie akopie America na me de nyansa bebre. And I'm the shade. She's a very appreciative woman. Whatever the Lord used me to do for her, she appreciated it.
Abusia after say papa Edna no dey some say etudwa ewie no e na fifi esan ebisa na say Pastor Love no ho akoka dwam a wakakodi aban kukum ensemi eba bonte no enenam se wonsa e hye akire bi se nipa na enam no so na ne ka ho ekoba ansem a Pastor Love akakopie mu aban kukum no oni nyina e na ewo America ho enunti no wo na wonsa hye akire ma enne Pastor Love akwakoda be biode no so sen e na woje ensemi efa sei e na no so Pastor Adonteng boatin e kire ni nsem no mfai
me song me a trouble into kasa me ho so me ho nya so no yeah
From the street.
I'm from the street e be na my so I don't be keke. I can never be perfect. I don't want to be perfect.
Nice one. But so unclear we say my you say yeah brapping yeah wa unia be my Pastor Love that Ghana for start so yes because of guy from America don't want to share chile man your friend say and she ya actually I happy because of your friend say the atemo be di one what the yeah
Pastor Love you be owo ha menene kasa I was say me dey me say go mature because a soldier muno he started ministry when I didn't even know somebody also for.
Yeah.
And that respect, that honor forever, I will give him that. And now only pass out with John baby son baby I'm a John mint me family son cano. Me Ghana and now minim say or court case be. And a baby a branch on condition how you me Virginia into me ni contact be Nema was assembly by ye no ye from fasona wakoko tamasa matono. I can never ever as human being filled with sin, filled with bad stuff, ever prosecute anybody in vengeance because vengeance belongs to Yankopon.
Yeah.
Menya bi da. Pastor Love. Menya bi da me kra me so because sunsumo no o sha se jame o se me bu no o se me dia ni die ma no.
Yes.
Enti o kan ma sem ne yesin ko kan bi menka bi da. Se Yankopon ne bu atentene ne. Why should anybody condemn such a man? Because some is a warrior ubufuna ya obama. You can imagine Zama Yaka. Into when I ain't come for Oda and unto Kochobia to prison. God forbid that. I pray for Pastor Love and his family. What be Shebia say? E wade beki kanyama boom ama etimi jano no aba be enya me adwuma enya and some mu odro. Tatawale, I love you and I got your back. E wade sharp. Happy birthday, may that say.
Nice one. Abusia, yabe na yabe. Which I've never seen Bema Unia.
Ofri Holland na menena kasasa.
Ente busia say na Pastor Adonteng Watson so ehwe ni nsem no mu efa ya wo kire se ono se beye den na ono nipa da senete se ono abone ahwe ne made obesusu sei ana obadwin sei ana so beye ade bi ati sei ade ati ane nyonko sofo no kwa ne mpaye ne se anka Pastor Love bi o hye bia obetimi efiri ho na waba no mu nyina bom aye nyame adwuma no amanako enkan busia ma ye hu comment e wo video yi ase afi wa wie ne sa no we mi subscribe button no so eye too much na afi wo de bell no aka ho sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles ni na okọ ho aso a too much je ho so yakai so be like na wa share e di amame macro.
Prophet Dr. Abednego has once again demonstrated the power of God following divine guidance. He established the world first spiritual hospital, Rabboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory. Now, God has directed him to create the Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital, powered by Castoplanto technology. This unique institution will reveal spiritual realities and help you understand the unseen battles affecting your life. Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital is here to uncover and address all spiritual obstacles. Please call us 0208 599 576